Well, hello everybody. It's Doug Rucker with you again from Clean and Green Solutions, located out of Kingwood, Texas, but we service the entire Houston, Texas area, Harris, Montgomery County, Fort Bend counties, you name it. If it's near Houston or even far away, we travel also. We service your area. Hey, we're up here on this commercial roof today, and I just wanted to show you a little bit of the difference of what we can do for these TPO membrane roofs. They'll get a lot of this roof algae on it that's just black, and it can do a lot of hardship on your roof. It can get in between the seams and start to tear those apart. One of the big things it does is it cuts down on the UV rays are not allowed to reflect off the roof, so it tends to make your heating, ventilation, air conditioning bills kind of go up a little bit. So you want to keep these cleaned. It's also usually part of the warranty on these roofs that they have to be maintained and kept cleaned. So if you have a roof like this and you'd like to for us to come out and give you a consultation on it and a free quote, then by all means give us a call or text 281-883-8470. You can also visit us at cleanandgreensolutions.com. So we'll get to finishing up on this roof and also the building. You can see kind of over there on the building part of what we've cleaned and or have not cleaned over there, and then have cleaned over here. But main thing I want to talk about, these commercial roofs, very important to keep them properly maintained. And once again, give us a call or a text 281-883-8470, or visit us at cleanandgreensolutions.com. Thank you so much, and may you have a blessed day.